How to turn off the dial sound in your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn off the dial sound in your iPhone. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your iPhone settings, and from here you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the sounds and the haptics. You have to click on it. Now here in the top there is the option of the ringtone and the alerts. Now as you can see that the volume is up, and if you go on the dial and it is giving some sound. So how you can turn off this sound completely, you have to go on the settings and you just have to zero and the add the silent mode in your ringtone and the alert sound. And if you go on the dial and add any number, and you are able to turn off the dial sound in your iPhone. So that's how you can turn off any of the dial sound in your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.